Hi, this is Tim from Positive Panic Attacks, and I'm here to help you live a more healthy lifestyle. And today I wanted to talk about what vitamins and supplements are good for hair, skin, and nail growth. So I'm just going to run through the main supplements and vitamins that are best for that. If you want any more information, then I've written a detailed article, and if you just click on the link below, it'll take you to that article where you can read about anything that I've talked about now. But basically, vitamins and supplements are good because sometimes our lifestyle or our diet means that we're just not getting the right supplements and vitamins we need. These nutrients are often recommended to improve the growth of hair and nails and the quality of our skin. Just remember also that taking vitamins and supplements is a long-term process, and really the results will be seen after many months. So without further ado, let's go through the main supplements and vitamins that will help you. The first one I wanted to talk about was keratin. Now this is probably one of the most popular supplements on the market, and if you speak to any nutritionists, they are going to recommend this first of all. Now let me briefly tell you what it is. It's a fibrous structural protein. Keratin is the key structural material in making up the outer layer of the human skin. It also plays a key structural part in the hair and nails. It can be taken as a supplement, and there's more information again if you click on the article that I wrote below. The next one is methionine. Now methionine is an amino acid, which amino acids are basically very good to help your nails and prevent hair loss. But methionine contains sulfur and is able to form chains which in turn are connected to one another. And this is basically the building blocks of your hair and nails. Methionine can strengthen the structure of the hair and nails in a really good way. It's also been known to be really good against alopecia. In 2006, a study was published as part of a dermatology congress in Florence, and the study involved 30 patients with alopecia. They were split into two groups. One group had methionine, the other group had a placebo tablet, such as a water tablet. After a year, the group that took methionine had over a 10% increase in hair. So it's proven to work, and again, it's quite popular for helping generally your hair, skin, and nails. The next one I wanted to talk about was arginine. Now arginine is an amino acid and has been proven to have a tremendous impact on the growth of hair. The effects of arginine promote the growth of hair when nitric oxide is formed from arginine, and this opens up the potassium channels within our cells. Now that all sounds very technical, but basically it improves the irrigation of the roots and it can stimulate hair growth. So that, again, this is another very popular supplement for hair, skin, and nails. Glutamine is a really interesting amino acid. It is the most represented amino acid within the body. And whilst the body can manufacture glutamine itself, over time with age it no longer produces it in sufficient quantities. Therefore, glutamine is often taken by people who are middle-aged and older, and for those who wish to strengthen their hair structure. The need for glutamine is significantly higher in times of stress or if you're undertaking some sort of physical activity. Glutamine supplements are therefore great for hair growth, and if you go to my article below, you'll see where you can purchase this. The next one I wanted to talk about was zinc. Like skin, hair also has a great need to be nourished by minerals, especially zinc. Zinc is absolutely essential for the proper functioning of the body. It's especially important for the growth of hair. Zinc is involved in all the formation of keratin, which I've obviously discussed before, and is a principal component of the hair, skin, and nails. Furthermore, the human body needs zinc to enable the formation of collagen, which is not only a significant substance to connect tissues that anchor the hair to the scalp, but also the hair structure as a whole. Similarly, cell division of hair growth would not be possible without zinc. Therefore, alopecia is one of the first signs of zinc deficiency, and specialists will almost always recommend zinc to be administered to the patient. Again, if you want more information, just click on the link below. I just wanted to make a few other points regarding having good hair, skin and nails, and this results to an aging face, which may result from a deficiency in zinc and amino acids, which I've obviously discussed earlier, but also if you lack vitamin C and D, it can affect the elasticity of the collagen of the skin. Also, if the skin is pale, it can be a sign of anemia, which is a lack of red blood cells, usually due to iron deficiency, but also a deficiency of folic acid, some of the B vitamins, and copper or vitamin C. Also, if you're suffering from dry skin, it's usually due to a lack of polyunsaturated fatty acids, omega-6, and vitamin A or beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A. So any of these supplements or vitamins would be really good if you're suffering from dry skin. Also, in recent years, it's pretty obvious to say this, but there's been a definite proven link between having a bad diet and suffering from acne. So if you're eating all the wrong things, pizza, chips and sugary sweets, then you're much more likely to suffer from acne. So all the vitamins and supplements are not going to make much difference if you have a poor diet. I also wanted to make a quick point about the hair and nail cycle. The hormonal one is a really important point, that women, especially during pregnancies, have an increase of estrogen, which results in thick and beautiful hair. But after childbirth, a large hormonal imbalance can occur, and this can cause significant hair loss. Similarly, during the menopause, the decline of estrogen causes a hormonal imbalance in favor of androgen, which can cause weakening and thinner of the hair. Similarly, in men, usually hair loss is related to hormonal hereditary factors. Also, it goes without saying that if you are suffering from kind of hair which looks worse for wear, or if you're suffering from dandruff, then nutritional causes can be causing this to happen. So definitely look at your vitamins and supplements if you do wish to improve your hair condition. To conclude, I just really wanted to say a couple of things, and that is that keratin is probably the main one if you're looking to initially start on a particular supplement to move forward and improve your hair, skin and nails, as this is going to help all three. However, there are products on the market that will combine everything that I've discussed and more. Again, click on the link below and it will take you to the article that I've written, and you can base your own conclusions on what you may need. But definitely there's products that combine vitamins and supplements, and they've got some really good reviews to show that they actually do work, so worth checking that out. So thanks for listening to my video and watching it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I look forward to speaking to you again. Thanks. Bye bye.